start. We are told that dispute is only in respect to property number 5, which has led to filing of two suits. Appellants did not insist on division of this property by mates and bounds and agreed that respondents shall pay value of share of appellants and thereafter appellants shall forego their claim full stop. It is pursuant thereto value of house was worked out and the same was acted upon after making payment of three installments by respondents full stop. Appellants also acted upon by handing over possession to respondents full stop. This document has been relied by both the parties in defense also full stop. It does not recognize any new right of parties, but the parties have their own existing rights, and it is only declaration of such rights as also exchange of rights in one or other way full stop. We are of the view that registration of this document was not necessary in respect to property number 5 full stop. In any case, under section 49 even an unregistered document was admissible for collateral purpose, particularly when both sides relied on the said document in support of their case as well as in defense of their case to rely on as what was con- uh, consented between parties full stop. Hence court below has rightly decreed suit 1 filed by respondents and dismissed suit 2 filed by appellants full stop para. Now coming to issue number 6, we are of the view that trial court while considering interest ought not to have moderated upon rate of interest by directing respondents to pay only 10% simple interest on remaining amount of fourth installment full stop. Instead, rate of interest as provided by mediator ought to have been adhered to. Mediator has directed for payment of interest in the case of fourth installment at the rate of 15% per annum full stop, meaning thereby it was compound interest in respect to last installment of rupees 1.08 lakhs full stop. In respect to other installments, it only says that interest shall be 15% per annum full stop. It has not been stated specifically that it shall be payable annually full stop. Hence, in respect to earlier three installments, the rate of interest was only 15% per annum as simple interest, and that has actually been paid by the respondents full stop. In respect to last installment, second installment of rupees 1.08 lakh, interest is payable at the rate of 15% per annum full stop, but payable annually. Particularly in respect to interest means that interest is calculable annually, and it renders the rate of interest to be calculated on compound basis for the reason that interest, if payable annually, will be compounded every year, and if not paid, it shall be treated as unpaid amount and entitled to earn interest further. Full stop. The mention of words payable annually only with respect to fourth installment, second installment of rupees 1.08 lakhs, and non Mention of these words in respect of earlier installments make it clear that interest herein is different than what it was payable in respect of earlier installments. We find substance in the submission of appellants that in respect of fourth installment full stop